Today our topic is about car insurance in USA. Now we go to Google and search their car insurance policy in USA and we found this website. If you have just visited the channel, then subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. Now we go on the topic car insurance in USA. Choose the US car insurance that fit your specific need and budget. Get real-time quotes for several A-rated companies. Compare quotes quickly and easily. Select the best policy of your need and budget. Whether you are foreign national, a payment resident as US citizen returning home or an expert moving to America and looking for car insurance in the USA, you can pick from several coverage options. Save time and get a car insurance quote in the United States that fits your needs by comparing rates from multiple insurance carriers across the United States. Available vehicle coverage for the US. Car insurance. Having a car in the US can let you go anywhere before you start driving. Know that most states in America require valid auto insurance. If you don't have it, you could end up paying hefty fines or face jail time. Choose a car insurance bundle with the coverage types and add ons you need. That way, you can minimize your risks and keep your costs low regardless. If you are an expert resident or US citizen, motorcycle insurance. Nothing says freedom like hitting the open road with your motorcycle. Just like driving a car, you likely need motorcycle insurance. As most states require you to carry it, motorcycle insurance can cover you and your motorcycle for things like accidents, damage, and theft. No rider is the same, so choose a motorcycle insurance bundle with the coverage types and add-ons that fit your needs. ATV insurance. Love the thrill of driving an ATV. Getting specialized ATV insurance coverage is recommended as accident and theft risks can be much higher with these vehicles. Now we go to RV insurance topic. RV insurance can protect you from unforeseen risks whether you are looking to insure your RV or modify your current coverage. Our insurance advisor can help you pick the coverage that best fits your need. Boat insurance. With the boat adventure can feel limitless like most things in life. Owning a boat can come with risks and responsibilities. Even though most states don't require boat insurance, having it can be the difference between an inconvenience and financial strain. Quotes typically are quite affordable, but pricing can depend on the type of boat you have. Jet ski insurance. Owning a jet ski is lot of fun, especially if you are an experienced rider. In some circumstances, having jet ski insurance can be necessary, as riding without it could leave you liable in the event of an injury or accident. Speak to our insurance advisor to see if jet ski insurance is right for you. Classic car insurance. While it may be a cherished hobby of yours, maintaining your classic car can leave a hole in your wallet. If something happens to it, classic car insurance can fit the unique need of your vintage ride and typically costs less than your standard car insurance policy. Umbrella car insurance. Umbrella coverage can provide additional protection on top of your standard car insurance coverage in the US. It can be great addition of if you worry your existing liability coverage is not adequate. Claimants worldwide offer all this through our partnership with Bolt Agency, making your transition to the United States much easier with affordable and comprehensive insurance solutions. Now we go to and scroll and we read this. What are the main types of car insurance in the US? The common types of insurance in the US are liability insurance, comprehensive coverage, collision insurance. Most states require basic liability insurance that provide coverage in the event you injure a person, bodily liability, or damage their property. Property damage liability. Each state in America has different minimum car insurance requirement, but many follow this limit, which is $25 bodily injury liability per person, and you can read this. In addition to the above types of auto insurance in the US, there is also stated amount and agreed guaranteed value insurance. But these coverages are usually only applied in unique circumstances, such as insuring expensive or modified wheels. Now you can read and you know about better